In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Shadow Sword here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you are going to have the Shadowborn race. You can do this just by using race rerolls, and I think I have a pretty decent amount of those right now. Yeah, I got 73. That's crazy. But just roll over and over until you do get it, and you can get these from bosses or the shop. But from here, you are going to have to unlock the dungeon system. So interact with any of the teleporters around the map, find the dungeon island, teleport here, and then talk to the dungeon master. And this is where you can actually open up a dungeon just like so. You do have to be level 5,000, and you are going to have to do the quest first. But once you do the quest from this guy, simply interact with them, enter the shadow dungeon, and of course choose extreme difficulty for the better drop chances. And you're going to have the opportunity to fight a shadow boss on waves 5, 10, and 15. Make sure you deal at least 10% of the damage to get the rewards. And you're also going to need materials like the atomic core, shadow essence, void seeds, and umber capsules. Be ready to farm them multiple times. It's going to take a while, but once you do that, go ahead and go to the shadow NPC on top of Dungeon Island, interact with them, and then of course you'll be able to go ahead and unlock the Shadow Sword. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.